You're watching the Zach Pilcher Show.
Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt that I've worn for the past 3 days. I can explain. I only wear this as an undershirt when I go to work, and then whenever I go to like a Kroger or a Walmart, I take off my work shirt and I have this. It's nothing to impress anybody over. It's just something to wear. That's it. But anyways, that's exactly what I did just a minute ago. I went inside of a Walmart and I was looking for something to try out for you guys. And you know what? I think I might have found the perfect item because I've never heard of it. Today, I'm going to be trying Drake's Golden Vanilla Sunny Doodle Dogs. I have never heard of this in my life. I was walking down the snack aisle and I saw this and I was like, I've never heard of it. That's perfect. That's what y'all want to see. Whenever I get these little Debbie type cakes, I usually get either the oatmeal cream pie or a coffee cake or the pecan spin wheels. I do like those. Do I really like the ones with cream in the middle? Besides the oatmeal cream pie, not really. But hey, I've never had this. I've never heard of the brand Drake's. I do like the duck on the box. But anyways, let's stop talking and see what this is all about. They could make this easier to get into, though. Oh, man. They should get a point deduction for not having a tab to just rip it open. All right. It's skinny. It's narrow. It's not very big. Pretty small. Snack size. Let's check it out. In my opinion, it looks like a hot dog Twinkie. Let's go ahead and give it a try. It don't taste like a Twinkie. The cream does, but the bread or whatever, it tastes like a, what does it taste like? I don't even know. Like a graham cracker? Yeah. It tastes like a graham cracker. It has a taste of a graham cracker. It's okay. There's not much to it. Twinkie type cream. Graham cracker type bread. It's okay. I don't think it's anything that I would pick up again. Hopefully someone at the house will help me eat this. Yeah, it's okay. Nothing that I would recommend. Is there a graham cracker in this? No! I still don't got a dang mount. I don't know why. I know why. I don't have time to go to a Best Buy or anything. What is graham cracker actually made of, though? I don't even know what to look for in the ingredients to decipher if I'm on the right track or not. The Drake story, originally baked in New York in 1896, Drake's has been bringing big smiles and classic cakes to snack time for over 125 years. I'm just now hearing of y'all. I never heard of y'all until 2026. From fluffy cake to creamy filling, Drake's is all about time-tested recipes baked with care and quality. Devil dogs have been a fan favorite for over a century, with soft devil's food cake, fluffy cream, and a little nostalgia. I don't think this is the Devil Dog. No, this is a Sunny Doodle Dog. It's a funny name for a snack, I guess, but if y'all want a rating from me, it ain't gonna be good. I don't know. I mean, it's worth trying once. That's it. I'm gonna give it a 3.5 out of 10. When I say or give something a 3.5, all that means is it's a 35% out of 100%. We now have to overcomplicate the rating system because someone was like, how can you rate something an 8.9 and just not give it a 9? Because it didn't seem worthy of being rated a 9, and it seemed way too good to be rated an 8.8. That's basically what it comes down to. I mean, shit. What do y'all want from me? Not very good. Yeah, okay. The more I eat it, the more is worth every bit of that 3.5. I need to wash that down. I don't really have anything to talk about this time, so we'll go ahead and end it early. Rey Mysterio, Booyaka Booyaka, 619. Booyaka Booyaka, 619. Booyaka Booyaka, Rey Mysterio, Booyaka Booyaka, 619. Booyaka Booyaka,